For today's video, I am going to teach you how to change template in Squarespace. And to answer the question, if can you really do that? Unfortunately, you cannot. So the only way that you can take if you want to use a new template or fresh template once you've already created one in Squarespace is to cancel your current subscription and start with a new one. So we obviously do not want to do that. So for today's video, I am going to show you a workaround to it. So for the template here on Squarespace, they are basically the same. It's just that they have different font styles and different page layout. So if you wanted to edit the layout of your website, you can do so by hitting the site styles or the brush icon that is available on the upper right part. Once you have clicked this brush icon right here, this is what you should see on the right side of your screen. So you have the fonts, the colors, and buttons and forms, and even accessories. So you can use these elements right here to edit your headings. I'm going to show you the font section. So right here, you can change the base size, as you can see, and then for the headings also, the paragraphs, the buttons, miscellaneous, and assign elements. So once you have clicked this section, you will be able to see different font combinations available for you to use. So you can just simply choose from the options right here. So I'm going to select this one, and once you have clicked onto that combination, it will be automatically applied to your page or to your heading. So once you're already satisfied with what you have with your heading, you can go back. So as you can see, it says right here, site styles, go back again, and then hit back again. So once you are in the editing page of Squarespace, you'll be able to have or add different sections. So click this add section right here, and then this page will pop up. So for every element that you can see on the left side of your screen, so you have intro, contact, about, people, products, up to the audio. So for every elements, you'll be able to see or have different mini templates that are available for you to use. So I'm going to add about page for my website. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm just going to click it right there, and then it will be automatically added onto my page. So you can add block for that section by clicking onto this one. So you can add text, button, form, newsletter, shape, and once you scroll down, you'll be able to see more options. So you can even add that or edit that section by clicking this right here. So you can remove it by clicking this remove button. So let us go to the edit section. So you can change the row count for that section. You can change the gap. You can fill the screen if you want to, and even add divider. So for the background, you can use image, video, or art. And also for the colors, you can select from these options right here. But if you want to have more options, click this pencil or pen icon on the right part of that section, and then this section will appear on the right side of your screen. So once you go back, so I'm going to show you how you can add social icons on your heading. So once you go to your heading, click it, and then you'll see this add elements. So these are your options. So these are the available elements that you can add to your heading. You can add social links. So as you can see, there are these social links available on your heading. You can even add cart if you want to do so. You can even add a language switch if you want to do that. And then you can do that in every section here on your website. So as you can see, being not able to change the template here in Squarespace is not a big problem. So you can just explore the editing page of Squarespace, and then you'll be able to customize your website as much as you can. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.